He's not doing it now.
I hope he's not having a hard time breathing from the shot.
He's fine. Fuck.